Looking to keep your lawn lush and green? The best sprinkler for Bermuda grass ensures even water coverage, helping this sun-loving turf thrive. Discover top-rated options designed to support healthy, resilient Bermuda lawns through every season. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Orbit 58322 Traveling Sprinkler. If you're in the market for a dependable, self-propelled sprinkler that can handle large lawns with ease, the Orbit 58322 Traveling Sprinkler is a standout choice. Built with a durable cast iron body and rugged, spiked wheels, this traveling sprinkler moves smoothly over your yard, delivering consistent water coverage without the need for a constant repositioning. It's designed to cover up to 13,500 square feet along a 200-foot hose, making it especially well-suited for expansive Bermuda grass lawns that require even hydration to maintain their lush appearance. One of the most convenient features of this sprinkler is its adjustable spray diameter, which ranges from 15 to 55 feet. This flexibility allows you to customize the watering pattern to suit different areas of your lawn, whether you need a wide coverage for open spaces or a narrower stream for garden borders. The 3-speed settings, high, low, and neutral, provide added control over watering speed and volume, ensuring your Bermuda grass receives the right amount of water for optimal health. The Orbit 58322 also comes with an automatic shutoff ramp, a thoughtful addition that conserves water by stopping the sprinkler once it reaches the end of its path. This feature not only prevents water waste, but also eliminates the need for you to monitor the sprinkler constantly. Its cast iron construction ensures longevity, resisting wear from frequent outdoor use, while its high-traction wheels easily navigate wet grass and uneven terrain. Number 2. Biswing Impact Sprinkler. For homeowners seeking a high-quality adjustable sprinkler system for their lawns and gardens, the Biswing Impact Sprinkler offers outstanding performance and durability. Crafted from heavy-duty brass and mounted on a solid alloy metal tripod, this sprinkler exudes durability and can handle high water pressure while resisting rust and corrosion, making it an excellent choice for maintaining healthy, evenly watered Bermuda grass lawns. One of the standout features of the Biswing sprinkler is its fully adjustable tripod base. With quick-release clip clamps, the tripod can be extended from 16 to 37 inches, allowing you to raise the sprinkler head above taller plants or obstacles. This versatility is ideal for yards with flower beds, shrubs, or fences, as it ensures water is distributed evenly across all areas of your lawn without obstruction. The sprinkler head itself is highly functional, offering nearly 360-degree rotation and customizable spray range and angle. This means you can fine-tune the water and coverage area to suit your specific lawn needs, whether you need a narrow stream for flower beds or a wide arc for open grass areas. The coverage area ranges from 40 to 86 feet in diameter, depending on water pressure, with recommended operating pressure between 20 and 60 psi. A thoughtful addition is the gooseneck hose connector, which makes attaching and detaching hoses quick and hassle-free. The built-in rubber O-ring filter helps sieve out sand and gravel, reducing the risk of clogging and maintaining consistent performance. This user-friendly design ensures that setting up and adjusting the Biswing sprinkler is simple, even for novice gardeners. Number 3. RESTMO Gear Drive Sprinkler. The RESTMO Gear Drive Sprinkler is a robust and versatile watering tool designed to accommodate various lawn and garden needs. Built with high-impact plastic combined with a sturdy zinc alloy metal spike base, this sprinkler offers long-lasting durability capable of withstanding both high water pressure and harsh weather conditions. Its thoughtful construction ensures reliable use season after season, making it particularly well-suited for lawns with demanding watering schedules like Bermuda grass lawns. What sets this sprinkler apart is its selection of 5 versatile spray patterns: jet, flat, cone, full, and vertical. This allows homeowners to tailor their watering to specific lawn or plant needs, whether gently misting delicate flowers or delivering a powerful jet stream across a wide lawn. With a coverage area of up to 50 feet in diameter and a total coverage area of up to 1,900 square feet, the RESTMO Gear Drive Sprinkler offers excellent flexibility for small to medium-sized yards. Adjustments are made easily by rotating the adjustment collar, which lets users select spray widths from a narrow 25 degrees to a complete 360-degree circle.
This customization ensures thorough, even watering of your Bermuda grass, helping prevent dry spots and maintaining a consistent, vibrant lawn appearance. The sturdy metal spike base provides a secure fit in the soil, preventing the sprinkler from toppling or shifting during operation. Additionally, this sprinkler features a flow-through design that allows for multiple units to be connected in a series. This is particularly useful for homeowners with larger yards or irregularly shaped landscapes, as it eliminates the need for constant repositioning of a single sprinkler. It's a convenient feature that ensures broad, even coverage while saving time and effort.
Number 4. LIULO Impact Sprinkler. The LIULO Impact Sprinkler is an excellent option for homeowners looking to efficiently water large, uneven lawns or gardens dotted with obstacles like fences, flower beds, or trees. This sprinkler set includes 2 brass impact sprinklers mounted on adjustable tripod stands, combining durability, stability, and versatility in one convenient package. It's particularly well suited for Bermuda grass, which thrives with consistent, even watering and benefits from wide coverage systems like this one. Constructed from high-quality brass for the sprinkler heads and solid alloy metal for the tripods, this sprinkler set is designed to withstand high water pressures, adverse weather conditions, and long-term outdoor exposure without succumbing to rust or corrosion. This durable build ensures reliable, season-long performance, making it a sound investment for serious gardeners and lawn care enthusiasts. The nearly 360-degree rotating sprinkler heads offer customizable spray reach and angles with 4 distinct settings that enable you to adjust water distribution precisely to your yard's requirements. This ensures every section of your Bermuda grass lawn receives adequate hydration, preventing dry patches and promoting even growth. User-friendly design elements enhance the overall experience, including quick-release leg clips for fast tripod stabilization and a built-in rubber O-ring filter that helps keep sand and gravel out of the sprinkler nozzles. The coverage area ranges from a 20 to 35-foot radius depending on water pressure, which can go up to a maximum of 80 psi. Number 5. Wexo Palindrog Impact Sprinkler. The Wexo Palindrog Impact Sprinkler is a durable and effective solution for homeowners seeking reliable, adjustable lawn irrigation. This set includes 2 heavy-duty zinc sprinkler heads and sturdy metal tripod bases, providing the durability and stability necessary for continuous use across large or irregularly shaped yards. Particularly well suited for Bermuda grass, which demands even deep watering for optimal health, this sprinkler offers excellent coverage and user-friendly features. Built to last, the Wexo Palindrog sprinkler set features waterproof, corrosion-resistant materials capable of withstanding high water pressures and outdoor elements without degradation. The tripod bases extend from 16 to 37 inches, allowing you to position the sprinklers above garden obstacles or dense foliage to ensure unobstructed water distribution. Each sprinkler head rotates nearly 360 degrees and can be adjusted for spray radius and water range, offering a coverage area with a 20 to 35-foot radius at water pressures ranging from 20 to 80 psi. Ease of use is another strong suit of the system. Simple assembly and basic connections make setup quick and hassle-free.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.